Journey home. As you begin to make your journey home, remember that all of your Hajj journey does not end with your ihram, or with your last tawaf, or with visiting Medina Munawwara, or even by getting home. It does not end with the people who greet you, or the parties that you're invited to, or that are thrown for you. It does not end with getting over jet lag, or getting better from your exhaustion, or your cough, the famous Hajj cough, or getting out of shape from not walking as much anymore. Rather, it is a journey that only ends when you reach your maqam in Jannah. The claim we all made when we said labbaik is a serious one. Labbaik is that we're at your service this time and we will be at your service time and time again. Every time you call, we'll be at your service. If you ever should fall off the path, you always have the option to get back. In fact, we should say you have no option except for to get back on. If you fall off, don't be dejected, but get back on and start moving again as soon as you can. Control yourself. Like in Hajj, if you miss something, you pay a fidya or sacrifice a dam and continue on. Your journey will involve difficulties, mistakes, omissions, sicknesses, and inabilities. Ask those who know how it is that you can rectify what you've done and move on, but never give up hope. The only one who can cause it to fail is the one who gave it to you in the first place, and he didn't give it to you in order for you to fail. Otherwise, Allah's help is there for all of those who wish to make the journey to Him, as you have all experienced through this Hajj. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from us all and keep us on this path, on this Mubarak path of the ones that He loves until we all meet each other and He gathers us together in Jannah. Ameen.